In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful and completely free AI video tool that allows you to create high-quality AI avatars, realistic talking videos, and animated singing avatars with accurate lip syncing, expressive facial movements, and smooth body motion. And yes, you can do all of this without paying anything. This makes the tool perfect for content creators, YouTubers, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to create engaging AI videos quickly and easily. The platform we'll be using today is called Vidnoz AI. Vidnoz AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform that offers a wide range of tools, including AI avatars, AI image-to-video, AI video translation, and more. In addition to these tools, Vidnoz AI provides thousands of ready-made templates, AI avatars, and AI-generated voices. This means you don't need any prior editing skills to create professional-looking videos. Everything is designed to be beginner-friendly while still delivering high-quality results. To get started, click the link in the description to visit the official Vidnoz AI website. Once the page loads, you'll see an interface similar to this. Go ahead and click on Sign Up to create a free account. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward. After completing the registration, click on Create Free Video Now. You'll be redirected to the Vidnoz AI dashboard. As a new user, you'll instantly receive free daily credits, which you can see displayed in your credits section. These credits allow you to test and use all the major features available on the platform. Now let's start by creating a realistic talking AI avatar. From the dashboard, click on Avatar. Once you're inside the Avatar section, select Expressive Avatar. This feature is designed to create avatars with natural facial expressions, accurate lip syncing, and realistic body movements. At this point, you have multiple options. You can either generate an avatar completely with AI, choose from available templates, or upload your own image to create a highly realistic avatar. For this tutorial, I'll upload an image so you can clearly see how the process works. Click on Upload Image and choose an image from your device. Once the image finishes uploading, name your avatar and change the gender. After that, click Next to continue. After clicking Next, you'll enter the editing interface. Here, Vidnoz AI gives you several customization options. You can remove the background, replace it with a different background, and enhance the overall image quality. If you want to make your video more engaging, you can also add subtitles by clicking on the Subtitles option. There are multiple subtitle styles available, and they're professionally designed to match different types of content. For now, I'll leave the subtitle settings as default. Next, move to the voice generation section. Here, you'll see a text box where you can enter your script. I'll remove the existing text and paste in my own script. After that, go to the voice selection area and choose an AI voice that best fits your video. Vidnoz AI offers a variety of voices with different tones and accents. Once you've selected your voice, click Generate, then select Generate Now. Within a few minutes, Vidnoz AI will process your video. Once the generation is complete, your realistic talking AI video will be ready. As you can see, the lip sync is accurate, the facial expressions look natural, and the body movement feels realistic. You can preview the video, share it directly, or download it for later use.
In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful and completely free AI video tool that allows you to create high-quality AI avatars, realistic talking videos, and animated singing avatars with accurate lip sync, expressive facial movements, and smooth body motion. And yes, you can do all of this without paying anything.
Now, let's move on to something even more exciting, creating a singing avatar. To do this, go back to the Avatar section and select Expressive Avatar once again. This time, instead of using a text script, we'll create a video using an audio file. Start by uploading your image, then click Next to access the editing interface. Just like before, you can remove the background, add visual enhancements, apply animations, and include stickers if you want. To make the video more dynamic, click on the Subtitles option and select one of the available subtitle styles. The subtitles will be applied automatically. Next, click on Upload Voice. Here, you can record audio directly, upload a file from your device, or add audio in MP3, MP4, or WAV format. I'll upload a song file here. Once the audio upload is complete, click Generate, followed by Generate Now. After a short processing period, Vidnoz AI will generate your singing avatar video. The final result includes accurate lip syncing to the lyrics, expressive facial movements, smooth body motion, and well-timed subtitles. This makes it perfect for music content, storytelling, or creative projects.
The space where your steps grown from I don't flinch at. You left before I left.
With the free version of Vidnoz AI, videos can be downloaded in 720p resolution. If you want to download videos in 1080p Full HD, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Vidnoz AI offers both monthly and yearly plans. The yearly plans provide better value and help you save money over time. Additionally, Vidnoz AI often displays exclusive discounts directly on the dashboard, which can significantly reduce the overall cost. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've now seen how to create realistic talking AI avatars and AI singing videos using Vidnoz AI, starting with just a single image. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful and completely free AI video tool that allows you to create high-quality AI avatars, realistic talking videos, and animated singing avatars with accurate lip sync, expressive facial movements, and smooth body motion. And yes, you can do all of this without paying anything.